Wolfies! I was in the server playing bloxburg, and guess what? They updated it twice. Because it happened twice, and oh my god, I have to show you. Look at this. Fence gates. Fence gates. You see that right there? Fence gates. Look at all these cool stuff. We have this floored fence gate. But I don't really know how to use it, but still. Look at all these cool stuff. It's like Minecraft now. And also, there's a new roof. It's pretty cool. It's like one... Oh my god. I can't. This is so cool. Why won't this place? So it's a bit glitchy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Then, oh my god, just press. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And it's like this. It's kind of like the mansard, but it's called hollow mansard roof. And also, look at these cool railing, like this right here. It's another glass fence, and there's also this barbed wire things. Looks like an electrocuting. Oh my god, I'm dying. Why won't this work? Oh my god. And there's also like this one right here. Oh wait, that was the same one. And also this right here. It's so cool, and whoa, it's so glitchy, but I don't care. And look at it, it's like so cool. We also have this one, and it's like real life. It's like a real life fence. Like, look at this. Like, I can't. And also, if you go to cabinets and go to this right here, we have the oven cabinet. We place this right here. Oh my god, why is this so glitchy? I mean, it's super glitchy, but it's fine, it's fine. And we're gonna decorate, and you see, they actually added new stuff, and it's so cool. Like, you go to appliances, and oh my god, stop. Oh my god, why is it so glitchy? It's super glitchy though, so be warned. And guess what? You scroll. You have the microwave, but you can't place these stoves inside of it. And look at this. If you scroll, oh my god, there's a new microwave. Isn't this so flippin' cool? And I love it. We have been wanting new microwaves forever, and we finally got it. And this is the microwave the thing that you put in. Okay. And it's so flippin' cool. Then, also, if we go to new, just look at all these new stuff. It's so cool. And there's these and these and these and... Whoa. To be honest, I don't really know how to use these. They're kind of confusing, to be honest. I don't know if you have to match them with their gates. I don't know. Okay, let's try. So if we do something like this, and I don't really know how to use these. Like, how do you use them? Oh, do you put it right here? Let's see. So if we do this right here, I'm gonna open. Whoa, this is so sick. I love this. Oh my god, I love this. I can't. This is amazing. Okay. This is amazing. I love it. Actually, that looks pretty cutesy, to be honest. Like that. Yeah, I like the look of that. Then again, I kind of want to... Can we, like, move it to here? Okay, we can't place it there. Just go ahead and park right. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm literally dying. And there's also this commercial tray rack. And this is super cute. I feel like you would use this. But I really want to know what it is. But I don't have enough money for it. Let me just... Wait. Oh. I need to delete a couple of stuff because I need to find out what it is. Then I'll just like undo it and stuff like that. Let's delete these. Sure. I mean, I want to delete these anyways. Oh my god, let's delete these right here. Let's delete it. I need to know what it is. I need to know. Help me. I need to know. I want to know what it is. Do I have enough? Oh shoot, I don't even have enough. Oh. Let's delete, what should we delete? Yes, let's delete this. Yes, beautiful. Can I do it now? How much is it? Oh my god, I think it was 7,100. I need to know. Oh my god, I need to know. I need to know. So I got a new. Let's do this. Shoot. Let's delete this. Sure. Okay, I don't want to delete the fountain. What else could I delete? What is super expensive that I have here? These are pretty expensive. Yes. Let's delete the hanging lights. That should be enough. That should definitely be enough. Oh my god, I need to flip it. No, I need to know what is it. If it turns out not that cool, I'm seriously gonna die. What a build and wait, no, not this. Appliances and oh my god, what is it? Oh, it's just a commercial oven. And a oop. That wasn't even that cool. Let's go ahead and bring everything back. Okay, good. Now, let's go ahead and get this fence back in. This is the coolest update ever. I mean, it's pretty confusing, but super duper cool. Why won't this work? There we go. This is so flippin' cool. Oh. Oh, shoot. This is gonna take forever. Okay. This is so cool. No. This is so cool. I can't with this. I can't. Oh my god. No way. This is crazy. Let's go to fences and This is probably super expensive. Not that expensive. We could do this right here. And then we could go to this, go to fence gates. Oh boy, this is expensive. Why won't this work? Come on, I want you to work. I want this. Please work. Maybe I need to go. Well, let's go back to fences and see if there's any different ones.